In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email account to Zoho CRM. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the setup icon. It looks like a little gear. Go ahead and click that. This takes you into the settings area where you can control different channels and features for your CRM. On the settings page, find the section called Channels, then click on Email and then choose Email Configuration. This is where you'll connect your inbox so that your emails can be synced directly with your CRM records. In the email section, you should see an option or button labeled Get Started. Click that to begin the configuration process. Zoho will now walk you through setting up your email integration step by step. Next, you'll need to choose your email provider. You'll see options like Zoho Mail, Gmail, Outlook, Office 365, and an option for other mail if you're using a different provider. Pick the one that matches the email account you want to connect. Selecting the correct provider helps Zoho automatically fill in many of the technical details for you. After choosing your provider, you'll be asked to select the protocol for receiving mail. Here, you'll typically see IMAP and POP. IMAP is the recommended option because it keeps your emails synchronized across all your devices and in Zoho CRM. Choose IMAP unless you have a specific reason to use POP, and then click Configure to continue. A new sign-in window or pop-up will appear for your email account. In this window, enter the email address you want to connect and the corresponding password. If your email account uses two-factor authentication, you usually cannot use your regular password here. Instead, you'll need to generate an app-specific password in your email provider's security settings and use that for this setup. Once your credentials are entered, you'll be asked to grant Zoho CRM permission to access your mailbox. This is necessary so Zoho can read and send emails on your behalf within the CRM. Review the permissions and click Allow or Accept when you're ready. Finally, follow any remaining prompts on the screen to complete the setup. At the end, you can choose how email data is shared, such as keeping it private to you or making it visible to your team. And you can manage or update this connection later from the same email configuration area. Once that's done, your email account is successfully added to Zoho CRM and ready to use.